How to fix apps not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on general management, click on reset and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. Again click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.